A robot with bones, muscles, and a beating heart? Yep, this changes everything. Meet Clone Alpha, the most human-like robot we've ever seen. It's not just built to look human, it's designed to move, feel, and function like one too. Made by Clone Robotics, this machine is a jaw-dropping blend of synthetic organs, real joint flexibility, and muscle systems that mimic our own biology. So what makes Clone Alpha so different? It's all in the design. Instead of clunky motors and stiff metal limbs, this robot has a polymer skeleton modeled after the human body, complete with 206 bones, flexible joints, and artificial ligaments. That's right, it basically has its own robotic skeleton, and with 164 points of articulation in the upper body alone, Clone Alpha can move in ways that would make a yoga instructor jealous. Each hand, wrist, and elbow has 26 degrees of freedom. That's not just flexible, it's freakishly lifelike. But the real magic? The muscles. Clone Robotics developed something called myofiber technology, which uses water-powered artificial muscles. These soft, lightweight fibers can contract like ours do, only they work using hydraulic pressure instead of electricity. A single 3-gram muscle fiber can lift over 2 pounds and respond in milliseconds. That means smooth, natural movement instead of robotic jerks. Powering all of this is a mini hydraulic pump that works kind of like a heart. It pushes fluid through Clone Alpha's internal veins, delivering the pressure needed to activate those muscles. And to keep everything controlled and efficient, they've engineered custom micro-valves called aquajets. Basically, this bot has a circulatory system. Now let's talk brains. Clone Alpha uses a mix of sensors and AI algorithms to understand and control its body. It's equipped with depth cameras for sight, motion sensors for posture, and pressure sensors inside its muscles to track force. All of that data works together to give Clone Alpha a real sense of body awareness, aka proprioception, so it can move with balance and precision. Right out of the box, Clone Alpha comes packed with 16 pre-programmed abilities. It can learn your home's layout, keep tabs on your kitchen inventory, vacuum the floors, fold laundry, even pour drinks or make a sandwich. Yeah, it's basically a robotic roommate, but it's not just a helper, it's also a companion. Clone Alpha can chat with you, carry groceries, and yes, even crack jokes. Want to teach it new tricks? It comes with a training platform called Telekinesis, where you can guide its movements and customize its skills. So whether you want it to help with caregiving, assist in the garage, or DJ your next party, you can make it happen. Now, how did we get here? This all started with Clone Robotics founders Dushriya Krishnan and Lucas Click. They've been developing this tech since 2021, starting with robotic hands and torsos. Their mission? Create robots that move like us, powered by muscles, not motors. And that bold decision to go with water-based muscle fibers changed everything. That focus on biomimetics, designing robots to mimic real biology, is at the heart of their innovation. But let's keep it real. As incredible as Clone Alpha sounds, the full system hasn't been demoed in action yet. We've seen parts, like the muscles and hands, but not the whole thing working as one. So naturally, there's some skepticism. And scaling this up for real-world use? That's a serious challenge. Clone Robotics knows that, which is why they're only releasing 279 units for now. It's a smart move to test, improve, and get real feedback before going full throttle. But if this works, the potential goes way beyond home chores. Imagine Clone Alpha working in hospitals, warehouses, or even on assembly lines. Its human-like form means it could slot into jobs without needing to redesign entire workspaces. That's a massive advantage, and one that could reshape entire industries. Of course, all this tech brings up some big ethical questions too. How do we make sure robots like this are used responsibly? What about jobs, privacy, social impact? These aren't just questions for scientists, they're questions for all of us. Because Clone Alpha isn't just a cool gadget, it's a test of what kind of future we want to build, one where machines just serve us, or one where they partner with us. The exciting part? Clone Alpha isn't stuck with just what it's programmed to do. With telekinesis, users can teach it to adapt, evolve, and even become a personalized assistant. Think about it. You're not just buying a robot, you're building a teammate. Let's be honest, just a few years ago, a robot with lifelike muscles and synthetic organs would have sounded like pure sci-fi. Now it's real, or at least it's very close. And while Clone Robotics still has some hurdles to clear, the vision they're building is one worth paying attention to. Whether it becomes a household staple or a stepping stone to something even bigger, one thing's for sure, Clone Alpha is changing the game. It's pushing robotics from clunky and mechanical to soft, fluid, and human. As production gears up, all eyes are on whether this humanoid dream will live up to the hype. But if it does, we may be looking at the first real bridge between man and machine. So, what do you think? Is this the future we've been waiting for, or just a flashy prototype? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit that like button if you're into next-gen tech. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI and robotics deep dives. See you in the next one.